Yo. Yo. I don't know if you can hear me. Wait. Okay. I don't know if you can hear me. You probably can hear me now. But this is a live stream, obviously. So um I'm just gonna be like conversating about what happened today, all that stuff. So if you're rewatching this, then there's gonna be some valuable information. Yo, can I get some yos in the chat whenever you guys get here, bruh? I know it's Friday, so maybe a lot of people might not show up, but let's share this out to Twitter. Oh. Let me tell Twitter I am live here. Oh, in Discord, we can tell Discord too. Yo, 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 yo. I'm seeing a lot of people saying they think the bottom is still in, the macro bottom. A lot of bullish tweets from creators. Where's my, oh, Dave's videos is where I would do it. Yo, what up, Josh? What up, Jason? Sorry, I wasn't looking at the screen. What up, Romeo? Ramen's delicious. What up, Adam? WJT, message retracted. What up? What up, Traj? Hedge Hunter, good to see you on. What up, Hedge Hunter? Hey, WJT, hey. Obviously, we got a big old red candle we got to talk about here with SPY, don't we? So if you guys can drop a like, the thumbs up will help push me in the YouTube algo. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We got 30 viewers. Wow. Baller. What up, TV man? How you guys be going? I know yesterday we talked about how we kind of liked the idea of it pressing down. I guess I didn't think that it would be so violent, so quick, but I mean, it looks good structurally, kind of based on what we were talking about, right? I mean, really, you're doing this isn't anything really exceptional. It just feels exceptional. It's kind of a local. Actually, it's this right here that you're testing, the 405.16, isn't it? So here is your liquidity range, right? And just like we said, we were most likely going to get trapped out of here. I never thought that we wouldn't press back down into this trading range, but this is the low that you're testing way back here on May 2nd. Let's put an arrow here. Boop. So now this is how I want to see this region. I definitely am expecting some action back to the upside to at least test this like 412 level again next week. I would be very surprised if you just press straight down through 405. But I do have a macro crash chart that we can look at for comparison's sake. Good for you, sourness. Good stuff. What up, Manny? Thank you guys for the likes, by the way. What up, Patty? What up, Patty? Josh. Yeah, man. Oh, we actually do have to look at AMC because they adjusted the chart because Colin and Trevor and Rico were causing a bunch of we're post making a big old fuss on Twitter last night. I don't know if you guys saw that, but they adjusted the chart. So so now, oh wait, is this inverse? Did I invert this? Yeah, I did. Why is this inverted? I didn't invert this. I I'm pretty sure I didn't invert this. That's weird. I actually opened calls for end of next week. Josh, you can't. So don't. This is a Feek. I'm assuming that's a compliment. I appreciate it. Maybe it's because I'm just gigantic on the screen right now. I wanted to. There's a guy. I don't know if you guys follow this fella. Hold on. Let me see how I can do this without weird stuff popping up on y'all's screen. But this feller here, KO Fibonacci at KO Fibonacci on Twitter. I've followed him for a long time. I've probably been following him since he had like 50 to 100 followers. And he was really on some cycle stuff back in the day with AMC, but he's developed like a big Fibonacci model, like for all the macros and stuff like that. Simba's in the camera. That's funny. And I wanted to have him because I mean obviously I can go back and do all the all-time fibs and I love doing that and I probably will do that, but since he's already kind of put in some of the legwork and stuff like that, I figured I was going to talk to him. I didn't necessarily think talk live, so obviously I'm gonna make sure that he wants to talk live first, but we've never actually like talked to each other, just through Twitter and stuff, but he seems like a cool guy. So I wanted to talk to him. Damn, Nvidia's down 9% today. Holy shnikes, dude. Whoa. GME, yeah. We can look at GME because I have been, GME has been on my radar. Yeah, he is. Yeah, yeah. TAL. Let's look at GME. I wanna look at this potential. So I wanna look at AMC. Ape looks like it's holding on really good here. Wow. Huh. Oddly well, it's holding up. Wow. Hmm. Let's look at Jimmy. So yeah, this is what we were talking about with Jimmy. We were saying, you could potentially have a pop up, but we were expecting this kind of dragging out, and that seems to be exactly what you're doing. Jimmy is pretty simple, guys. I think that you take out this 3037 and this golden pocket. I'm gonna be looking for it to get below $30 most likely. I don't think this is what we've been saying for a while. Once you failed, I think once we failed $37, we were saying $30 was what was gonna happen. If I remember correctly, last week or the week before on YouTube. So nothing too crazy happening with GME. Oh, what up, Jackie Latits? Another good follow on Twitter. RSI very oversold on GME. Volume's very low on the sell-off. It's a pretty good point. I mean, I'm not looking at RSI, but that's kind of the RSI is measuring volume against price for relative strength. It is pretty low. Yeah, I mean, overall, I just like next week in the market, I'm telling you right now, you're gonna pop up off of this low here, and you probably have like a macro. You're gonna have a fib, and it's gonna be hard to measure initially. It could be this one right here. Look at that. That's a 0.5 right there. And then we can also jump it off of here, and that's a 707. I think next week you're gonna get a pop up. I bought 415 calls for end of next week, personally, not financial advice or anything. I'm looking for a gap up, honestly. Probably gonna be looking to get out of them at like 412 or something. This week, the week's over. I like this. I like this fib right here. Drawing it for our local trading for like the next move. Okay, so I'm definitely expecting a retest of this 412 ish, 413 ish kind of region. Before you continue lower, I am growing more and more convicted though on this larger Fibonacci off of here that you end up coming down and testing a 707. Down here, so 380, 390 region is what I'm looking for on SPY before this retracement is complete. I mean, this is very clearly a distribution, but I think that what it'll end up looking like is that this was a sign of strength, and then you had a backup to the last point of support. If volume comes in here and supports you, then yeah, I'm looking for more upside. Like we talked about in the video yesterday. Again, this move is not a surprise. Like, the Powell pushing you through the bear trend was the very hypothetical thing yesterday. Like, that was not the conviction, and I hope that didn't come off that way. Swift Mischief, what's up, dude? Always trolling me, taking me out of context on Twitter, but it's fine. I appreciate your work. Yeah, 408, 400. I mean, obviously 400 you're going to bounce. Like, I'm not saying you're going to just like straight shoot, like you're going to go, 412 and then you're just going to shoot straight down to 390. I think that, obviously on a more macro, what I'm thinking is going to happen is it's going to be, one of these where you kind of come back, retest these key levels along the way. But I think that it will be a relatively quick move. Like, I don't expect you to come back up and test this bear trend again anymore. That's not my expectation. Wascally, Wabbit, we testing. Yeah, it's gonna end up looking like a Head and Shoulders for sure. Like that's what everybody's gonna be saying. But what it is, it's a distribution. No, it's all good, dude. I was just fucking with you. I don't care. You too, Swift. 425 calls. Did you have you opened that today? Like at the beginning of the day? 0 DTE? Do you have a stop? This coming week. Yeah, Josh. So I'm pretty much expecting a pop up to like 412. You could even go as high as 417. Let's see. So like on this move, let's assume that this is the bottom, right? See here, you can have a 707 back up here to 415. You even have this gap right here. I mean, and really it's just a liquidity gap is what I'm referring to. So this is obviously, you got rejected down here. Obviously this level ended up being the ultimate resistance before you got sent down here. So it's going to be a key trading range. So yeah, I'd say, anywhere in this, I'm going to be looking to exit. And I really, like I said, I want a quick pop to 412 is what I'm looking for mainly. And just get out of those calls and then kind of see what the volume looks like and make a decision from there. Bears look very convicted here, though. I mean, look at the volume on this daily candle. See if we press down with high volume. Yeah, I mean, Bears look. I mean, they looked like they were getting really weak here, and then all of a sudden they stepped on the gas again. But Bears look very convicted on the day. Sava. That's good, Gonzalo. Always have a stop, dude. Let's look at AMC. All right, so the AMC chart got updated. And again, we're riding this uptrend now. So now the chart looks a lot more normal. You look like you got a second bull trap off of here. So this is like now dire support. Like, yeah, I mean, you can't lose this green support trend anymore on AMC. If you do, then you're basically giving back what is essentially $6 equivalent, which is on the previous chart was like $10, right? Like you're gonna press lower if you break this uptrend. So it's gonna be very, very key that you round out, form support on this key trading zone right here, and make this look like a backup phase on this longer term accumulation. Simba, you just messed up my shit, bro. Like this. See? So like right, assuming this was your local trading range, right? You pressed up, back up LPS. I mean, it looks like a sign of strength here. So now what you want to do is I mean, you've lost this. This was a true distribution. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I mean, overall, I still do like the way that AMC looks, right? For you to create perhaps a similar move to what you had back here, just a new accumulation down here, and then if you create lower highs again, now you're kind of getting to the end of this. It's going to be a decision time coming in like October for AMC for sure at the latest. Yeah, after they were talking shit. Sava. Oh, let's look at this DJI concept that I was working on. So what I was doing was I drew this larger Fibonacci and I was comparing it to the '08 crash, and it's actually very similar. I even drew an arrow. You are here. And so we can see an update. I know I can split screen this, but I just don't feel like it. Let me see how I can do this quick. I would assume. Yeah. I don't want that. I don't want that. So this. Let's do a split. This is the Dow Jones, by the way. Just because things have happened in the past doesn't mean that they will always happen again, obviously. But I think this will be a pretty interesting thing for you guys to look at. A lot of you guys will be like, yeah, this is exactly how it's going to go. Which might be what people want you to think. Someone out there. I don't know who it could be. So yeah, so this, let me zoom this correctly. And I'm still obviously working out the details of it and everything. So let me bring this fib back here so you can see them both at the same time, nice and big. Maybe I make the numbers bigger. So they're looking kind of small now. Bigger's not always better, Dave. Remember that. Okay. Just trust me that these numbers are kind of close, but obviously Dow Jones is an index that is very indicative of what the market is doing, you know, the overall trend, everything like that. So we drew the same sort of, right, resistance and support lines that were occurring that we've been talking about on the channel. Oh, you can't see both sides of the screen. I'm big. I'm really big. There you go. Better. So let me make this look similar again. And you can see that there is some slight differences. So for example, this 3618 move that's down here, the 3618 is way down here on the new Dow Jones with the same fib drawn. Like drawn the similar way from that local bottom. So that is a little tricky because then that would be breaking the support trend. So you would have to redo that support trend. And that was kind of the process that I had gone through thus far. But the losses are similar in nature, so I'll show you that. Simba, quit, bro. Come on. So 40% over here down to that 3618. And then here 40-ish, 41, 42% on the 3618 as well. So it is a similar I mean, the chart is similar. It's undeniably similar, I'd say. But again, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's just going to play out again. Because if that were the case, then, like, you know, obviously everybody would just bank the shit out of puts. Make a lot of money. Yeah, they did, Citadel. What up? Yo, Megan. What up, Megan? What up, DSA Sports Consultant? Good name. Check spy support. Oh, we got 110 viewers in here. Hey, everybody. Hey, you guys want to... I'm going to post on TikTok soon. You guys want to see my first TikTok without music? You guys might like it. It's a clip from the video yesterday. I'm going to start clipping out of my videos and sharing on TikTok. Let me show you. We don't give a shit about your TikTok. Hold on. Let me see the best way to show this. Nancy Pelosi went to... Oop. Look. To China. How long ago? Nancy Pelosi went to China. How long ago? Nancy Pelosi went to China, I don't know, SPY was probably around here, July or something. No one cared. I was talking to Trey about this on the phone. No one cared. No one cared. But think about the fundamental, implications of that are she goes to Taiwan. China is going to be upset with that. Russia already doesn't like us. All these things, right? So, but no one cared. No one cared. Then you break down back below this downtrend. Technically, right? You close. Suddenly, Russia and China care so much about Pelosi coming to Taiwan. It's like a month later, right? But we should have fundamentally known that, but the market just keeps marking up. Like, why was the price pressing up? Because institutions wanted to offload. Let's go, dude. Let's go. I'm at Composite Dave on Twitter. I mean TikTok, not Twitter. Right now, at Composite Dave is a scammer that's impersonating me. I'm trying to take that brand. You know what I'm saying? I want to be at Composite Dave. Go away from my name. Go towards So in what's funny about that is that now you're seeing that evolution. Go follow me on TikTok, and then you can go to your recent followed, and you can turn on notifications on TikTok so you can see when I actually post that video. Probably next week. I want to get a few videos edited up and ready to go before I start posting so that I can just kind of have a backlog, because I want to like kind of spam that algorithm. But you know, just to elaborate on that, now you can see how that narrative is continuing, right? So I looked it up, and the Pelosi thing, she went out there. It was July 29th, and you had a little retrace, right? What the absolute bottom, and again, like you even had a higher high after that. It was actually just this move here. It was a 1% move down when Pelosi went to Taiwan, because everybody was like, oh, you know, like it's gonna make people mad. Like, oh snap! I just gotta thank you for the follow on TikTok, David. Composite Dave, Dave. This, see this? Composite Dave. So again, so July 29th, right? You're rallying your butt off. July 29th, Pelosi goes to Taiwan. Pre-market, you get this dump because everybody's scared. Oh, China and whatever is going to be really mad. Oh, you're talking about the impersonator. That's funny. I just realized what that last comment is. Everybody freaks out August 1st because she went there. Blah blah blah. It's so scary. And then you just kind of reaccumulate, and then you press right up. No one cares. No one's worried about Pelosi going to Taiwan anymore. Market's just pumping for literally no reason. I mean, there's literally no fundamental reason that the market was pumping, right? Let me just paste this over here so people can see that. And now you come out here, you gap down off of China and Russia are mad that she went to Taiwan, everything like that. You do this reaccumulation. This is when we were calling for this bullish move. And then suddenly, while you're in this distribution, you retest this for an LPSY right here. You retest this zone for an LPSY, right? Boom. Fail, because Powell comes out with bad news. It's all, dude, it's all this is like, I'm telling you now, if you don't think that all of this is just like a pre-calculated story almost, you know, this whole thing, man, this whole thing. Remember when Russia invaded Ukraine? It was like it was another thing, you know. It's just this extremely technical move. I think it was it would have been this press down, this gap down here when we went down to 408 in February. But look, I mean, you just got done with this double top LPSY, and then boom, you're getting sent down. And then Russia invades. You get your gap down. You created the bottom of this support trend. This has been the support trend for forever now. It's all predetermined. It's pre-done. Babe than a Dave. Dude, thank you, KN squared. I appreciate that. That's very composite. Damn, he thick. Composite Dave on TikTok. All right. So if you guys aren't familiar with Wyckoff theory, what we've talked about a lot on the channel, just to show you, pretty much it's you have these inverse relationships with charts, right? So what has happened over the course of this amount of time is that you were holding price higher than natural in this downtrend because you were distributing price down. Now you've kind of scooped, right? Created this kind of swooping liquidity zone for accumulation. You pressed back up. Remember, back at like 380, 390 is when I was like a wild bull when we got back in here. Oh, yo, that's there's FaZe Stonk, who is king of KO Fibonacci that I was talking about earlier. You want to jump on the stream, bro? Simba's all up in the camera right now. So say hi to Simba. Friend request. Sorry, bro. Here you go. I just accepted your request, bro. You can call me or whatever if you do want to come jump on the stream. You're more than welcome, bro. 396s. I'm assuming those are puts. September 2nd. I don't know, dog. That seems kind of like a stretch. He's calling in. Oh, he's sharing a screen. It looks like. Oh, what up, dude? Whoa! Hold on. You're over my speakers, I think, or something. Whoa, that was scary. Let me mute you right quick while I try and figure that out. My Discord output must be to my speakers. Oh, man, that was loud. No. What the fuck? Yo, talk right quick. That's not good. It's going through my speakers. Something weird's going on. This retail production, you know what I'm saying? I need somebody good in my corner, like CNBC. I need CNBC people to help me out, dude. All right. Shit, dude. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay, I think I got it now. Talk. Oh, I'm sorry. I muted you. Talk. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, I'm hearing you now. Hold on, let me see how to full screen you before I put you on to... You got a voice changer on or something? Oh, can he not hear me? What the fuck? Oh, okay. Hold on. Now he can't hear me. Sorry, stream. Sorry, stream. Sorry, stream. Yo, can you hear me? Yo, yo, yo. No, you can't. Fuck. Yo. Okay. Now you should be able to hear me. Now this mother... Yo. This should work. Okay, this ain't working, bro. Do you have a voice changer on or something? It's like, you should go to my stream. You should go to my stream and hear yourself. This is not working. I know Chad is hearing it this way. All right. Well, I might just cut the stream then, and we can try and figure out these technical things. Let me chat up with these guys, and then I'll call you right back. Okay. Fuck. That's weird. Yo.
That's good. Is that better?
Oh, that's way better. What the hell?
Yeah. So when I change programs from Discord to this music production program, I have to change my audio interface back to like a buffer length, and I always forget to do that. So it makes me sound like a prepubescent teen.
Yes. That's exactly what you sounded like. You sounded like me before I went. Well, you probably sound like me now.
What's going on?
What up, bro?
Not much, dude. Crazy fucking day.
Yeah, what a freaking day. Especially after yesterday, like, cause I don't know. I mean, dude, what the fuck? SPY is all the way down to 403.95 right now in afters.
Yes, sir.
All right. So my next level then my next level is all the way down to 400. You
Yes,
what
sir.
did you
Yeah,
tweet
I
out
have a.
earlier?
Go ahead.
421 is my next fib. It's .5 from the 370 bottom.
Yeah, I have 40169. And
But
then under
you're
that,
with
I
the
have
macro though, right?
39884.
Let me full screen you
So,
right quick so they can see your screen or something.
dude, don't even worry about it. I actually want to go over all that with you, like
Privately.
privately, not because it's like a secret, but um, just so I know you're on stream and you're probably already on a roll with what you're talking about. I don't want to interrupt that.
Yeah.
Um,
Well, I don't wanna. I don't
whoop,
wanna.
whoops.
You
Instead of that, I'll just.
look. I don't want to be streaming all day or anything. Anyway, I'm gonna go hang out with my family and stuff like that. So I'm probably just gonna cut the stream. I just want to hang out with people for a little bit, and then we can chop it up for a little bit, and then
Yeah, I'm actually. I'm headed out in like 20 or 30 minutes. I messaged you on Twitter. I just took pre-workout and my skin is itching, so I have like
oh yeah,
fucking
beta alanine, nice.
20 minutes, bro.
Let
Yeah,
me
this is.
let me just
Go ahead.
let me cut out on you guys. I appreciate you guys coming and hang out today. Hopefully you enjoyed the brief stream. We went over some charts, everything like that. Make sure you go follow me on TikTok and turn notifications on because I'm gonna be posting there soon. Probably once a day at least, if not more, to blow that shit up. And then yeah, hopefully you enjoy the stream. Some analysis. We're gonna do on Sunday. I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna break down the market and tell you guys exactly what I'm thinking. But I appreciate you guys coming by and hanging out. Y'all have a good weekend. Hug your family. Tell them you love them.
Bye, Dave's
And
family.
take it easy.